Good morning guys. Yesterday I had posted the first video of trading analysis, and today also I'm going to share this another video. Today I was a bit late to start the video. I was monitoring the breakout, and you can see clearly that the breakout has been achieved, and this is the cone shape angle from where the breakout had been started. So here you can see we are also monitoring the breakout in Nifty Bank also. You can also see that Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank are moreover gives kind of same most of the time. Okay. So we will actually going to trade in Nifty 50 if possible, and Nifty Bank also we can do trade. Nifty Bank consists of more volatility, so it may result in good profit also. So you can see the breakout is in both the direction, in both the stocks, Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank indexes. So here you can see it has increased a bit. It can also goes down, and it can also goes up. You can see that the chances are more that it will go up because it is already fallen candle, right? You can see it is already gap down had been achieved, so it will rise from this one. So let us set the targets so that we have a limit if you want to trade. So the target will be like in this direction, okay, because you can see in the previous day also there is a prominent support and breakdown. This was a level where the trend changes and all. So you can see that in this level the support will be very good, and the bottom level this is our stop loss. Okay, so here you can also see if it goes down it will easily touch this level also. Chances are there ki it will go up. You can see the blue target was our highest target, and the black one is the closest target, which is kind of easily achievable. Okay, because you can see at the upper part there is a good resistance, so it might not break. That's why the black line is our initial target. You can see here, and the blue line at the above is our highest target, which is if I want to book some trade, we will keep some lot there and we will book in that blue line. So according to the support and resistance you might see. So we are actually seeing a good breakout. Our black target has been easily hit, and so our profit has been booked if we have gotten the profit. So from here also you can see there was a bit resistance at the upper part, so it just touched the target and it reversed. Okay, this is a retracement, and after some time it might go upward also. I'm sure that it will go upwards because you can clearly see the black line is a easy resistance to break. It will break that. Okay, now I will open the option chain so that we can look for the option which we are going to buy. To do that, we will open the option chain from NSE website. You can directly go to live market, then under that you can find equity option chain. From there on, this is the Bank Nifty option chain. So here we will look for the option which will profit us. Okay, so current price is I think 19,700. So we will look for around a far call. Okay, then Nifty Bank 2000. Okay, because Bank Nifty has more volatility than Nifty 50, so we will like to trade in Bank Nifty also. Okay, so let's see. This is the Nifty target and the Bank Nifty target too. So this is the option which is 7th May expiry, means today this is expiry, and you can clearly see at this point the breakout has achieved. Okay, which was our analysis at in this point which I'm showing you. So you can clearly see the breakout has been achieved in 41. I will show that in the coming clip, and the highest it has gone to around 60-70. So let's see our target. Today is expiry, 9:57 is the time. So let's see, in the option chain we will look for the 20,000 call wall option, okay, in Bank Nifty. So you can see the volatility, and okay, let's see the target which we can achieve, which could have been achieved. Okay, I'm not trading right now, this is just an analysis, live market analysis. So if I have traded, then I could have made profit, that I will show. This is the option of 20th call, and here you can see at around 9:52 it has touched a high of close to 66 and all. So let us see in Bank Nifty where the breakout has been achieved according to our analysis. Again I am telling, Bank Nifty and Nifty moreover is the same, so you can trade in both the direction, both the stocks. But today I will say that in Bank Nifty will be good because it has resistance. You can also see that there is also a resistance and support is forming. So we don't know, it can go down or upwards, but we had already hit our target, so our profit will be already booked if we had traded. So let us see, these are the volumes. You can see opened at 168. This is a TCS. I'm also looking for TCS, so if it breaks I will buy it. Alright, let's see what happens, but the main motto of the video is for Bank Nifty. Okay, so we can see that ITC can fall, and let's see, we will not talk about that much more. So this is the Nifty 50 and it is also hit at our target. So let us see what price is required to buy the option. Okay, so this is the price. At the breakdown it was around 44, it was around 44.26, and it has achieved around 66 plus. So it is clearly 50-60% profit, okay, within 15 minutes. So let us see how much money is required to buy the option actually. Okay, you can clearly see our target has been achieved in Nifty 50 already, it's clear. So for buying the option, you can see this is a normal order, you want to hold it, but whatever you hold or not, it doesn't factor because this is 7th May, today is the expiry. You can clearly see to buy 22,000 stocks means 100 lot, you need 88,000, means for one lot you will require 800 rupees, means 44 into 20 is the required 20 is the stocks you have to buy for one lot, and in options and futures you have to buy in lots. So for 20 stocks you have to buy, 44 into 20 is kind of 880. So 880 is the amount which you are required. Okay, so this is the Bank Nifty chart. You can clearly see our target has been achieved, and after achieving our target it started to fall. Okay, looking at that, I think the fall will be a big fall because our resistance has been broke and also our target has been achieved. So the resistance and the supports are playing their roles, and resistance is very big, so I think it will fall again. And you can predict right now, you can comment on the video that what will happen. It will go lateral, it will go upwards or downwards. Okay, let's see. So for I think it's actually will go at bottom because you can clearly see the large candles it is making. It will retrace a bit, then it will fall again. So let's see what happens. I'm speeding up this video, so let us see what happens. Okay, so let us see what we could achieve at that option which I was talking at earlier stage. How much profit actually we could have been made. Okay, so according to our analysis, we can make profit in both the stocks, Nifty 50 or Nifty Bank options. So here you can see this ITC. I don't know what will happen. I will not trade in that. Okay, so today I'm not going to trade anything, but let's see. So here it is the capital you will require to buy option. Okay, it's of 880 for one lot, you can clearly see. So it's been rejected because I don't have money that much. I have 6,000 around in my fund, so I can't buy that one. I don't want to buy also. I just want to analyze, because you can make profit any day. Okay, you just have to know how to make. So this is the analysis of my own, and I'm not suggesting anyone to buy anything or not. This is just my own analysis about my own investments. Okay, so this is you can learn from this one. Don't copy the trade. If you learn, then you will definitely do better. I'm no pro in this one. I'm no expert, but this is for pastime I do this kind of stuff. So let's see. This is the option, and I don't think it will go up again. The market is falling, so C will increase. So let us see what could have we achieved. Okay, we had bought the option at 947 at this point, around 43 44. So our target was around, highest target was we achieved was 60 something. So I will calculate. So now we will calculate the profit which we have achieved. So let's see. 200 stocks means 10 lot. Just for calculation purpose we will do that, and you can clearly see the breakout was around that time. So we had to buy it at 43 and sell at 691.91. So the profit will be good for 4,000 something. So you can clearly see the price for which we had bought was 43 into 200. So it will be around, let me calculate, 8,600. Okay, so 5,313 was a profit with 8,300 investment, because we are buying 10 lot 200 stocks. So you can clearly see 61.59% was a profit. This is too much. 51%, 51.59%. So I'm not telling that you have to book 61% also. I'm just getting an average like 49 to 61%. From within that range you can clearly book the target. Okay, for 5 minutes and so 5 to 10 minutes you had seen that 48% was achieved. Okay, see, you can see that the zigzag way on that point 48 to 61 percentage profit was achieved. Okay, so average I'm taking as 50%, so that's why the title of the video is 50% profit in 15 minutes. So guys, today we have achieved a profit of 50 around. Okay, in 15 minutes. It was the video. And take care, stay safe, and trade with your own knowledge.